Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, what does constitutional carry mean? Before answering, please allow me a brief history lesson. Because they lived under the rule of a tyrannical monarch, our founding fathers were determined to create a government of the people, by the people, for the people. And in their effort at ensuring that citizens would be able to actively deter domestic rebellions and potential government tyranny, they ratified the Second Amendment to the United States Constitution, which in pertinent part states, quote, "The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." As plain and unambiguous as that language reads, over time the Supreme Court has allowed certain infringements on the right of the people to keep and bear arms. For instance, SCOTUS has permitted the placement of minimum age limits on folks who can possess firearms. They've disqualified certain categories of people from possessing guns, for example, convicted felons. And they've authorized both waiting periods and background checks on would-be gun purchasers. Still, the United States Constitution and the Supreme Court establish federal baselines that set minimum standards, and they leave all 50 individual states free to establish their own rules, which can and do vary, and sometimes greatly. For example, California arguably imposes the most rigorous permitting, purchasing, manufacturing restrictions on persons and weapons, whereas the state of Montana has among the fewest bureaucratic hurdles and the least restrictive requirements in the nation. Anyhow, the term constitutional carry simply means that a state has removed the permitting requirement to carry a concealed firearm in public. It does not mean that anyone can carry anything anywhere. It rather means that non-disqualified persons can carry non-disqualified weapons in non-disqualified places without first applying, paying for, and securing a concealed weapons permit. The way I like to sum up constitutional carry is to say that if you were to apply for a concealed weapons permit, and if you were to be approved, then you don't need a concealed weapons permit in a constitutional carry state. However, if you would be denied that permit, then regardless of the reason why, constitutional carry does not apply to you, and your possession of a firearm is a criminal act. On a final note, as of 2026, there are 29 constitutional carry states in the United States of America. That said, I thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it. Please remember that at Haber, PA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting out more soon.